Hello students, class 12th commerce, subject accountancy. It is chapter number 3rd and lecture number 3rd. Investment fluctuation reserve. See, investment fluctuation reserve is that reserve which is created out of profits. Businessmen, they do investment for many crores. Because of any reason, if market price comes down, in that case they want to be safe, and to be safe they create a reserve, investment fluctuation reserve. See, it is number 1, when book value and market value of investment is same. In that case, following journal entry will be done: इन्वेस्टमेंट फ्लक्चुएशन रिजर्व अकाउंट डेबिट टू पार्टनर्स कैपिटल अकाउंट. यहाँ बात को समझिए. बुक वैल्यू एंड मार्केट वैल्यू बोथ आर चेंज, बोथ आर सेम, नॉट चेंज, बोथ आर सेम. और आपने इन्वेस्टमेंट फ्लक्चुएशन रिजर्व को बैलेंस शीट में लायबिलिटीज में लिखा है. दिस अमाउंट यू डिड नॉट यूज, दिस अमाउंट रिमेन्ड सेफ, and the reason is there is no change in market value of the investment. Whatever was the book value, the same remained market value. So the amount kept aside by the name of investment fluctuation reserve, you did not require this money. When this money is not required, in that case the amount will be transferred to capital accounts, and the same has been done, चलिए आगे बढ़ते हैं. सेकंड नंबर, when the market value of investment is less than the book value. Book value is, see again, when market value of investment is less, मार्केट वैल्यू इन्वेस्टमेंट की कम है और जो आपने बुक्स में लिखा है वो ज्यादा है. इन दैट केस व्हाट विल बी द जर्नल एंट्री? नाउ सी, इटैलिक्स में जो फर्स्ट लिखा है उसको देखिए. फॉल इन द वैल्यू इज लेस देन इन्वेस्टमेंट फ्लक्चुएशन रिजर्व. इन देखिए, काम पैसा जो है हमारा कम हुआ है, लेकिन थोड़ा सा कम हुआ है. फॉल इन द वैल्यू इज लेस देन इन्वेस्टमेंट. फॉल इन द वैल्यू, जो कीमत में जो कमी आई है, दैट इज लेस देन इन्वेस्टमेंट फ्लक्चुएशन रिजर्व. वो इन्वेस्टमेंट फ्लक्चुएशन रिजर्व से कम है. देन सी व्हाट विल बी द जर्नल एंट्री. इन्वेस्टमेंट फ्लक्चुएशन रिजर्व अकाउंट डेबिट टू इन्वेस्टमेंट्स अकाउंट. इसमें आपने पैसा लिखा बुक वैल्यू माइनस मार्केट वैल्यू. whatever is the left behind amount that will be transferred to partners capital accounts in their old ratio. See again journal entry, investment fluctuation reserve account debit to investments account, book value minus market value, to partners capital accounts. It is in their old ratio. पार्टनर्स हैव बीन डन क्रेडिटेड, क्योंकि उनको फायदा हो गया, दे आर इन प्रॉफिट. वेन एवर पार्टनर्स आर इन प्रॉफिट, देयर कैपिटल अकाउंट इज गोइंग टू हैपन क्रेडिट. द सेम इज सेकेंड नंबर जर्नल. फॉल इन द वैल्यू इज इक्वल to investment fluctuation reserve means whatever amount you kept aside out of your profits by the name IFR investment fluctuation reserve, fall भी उतना ही था जितना आपने रिजर्व को क्रिएट किया. सी, investment fluctuation reserve account debit, liabilities they always remain credit. Now you are debiting this liability. लाइबिलिटी को आप डेबिट कर रहे हैं, मीन्स यू आर यूजिंग दैट अमाउंट. इन्वेस्टमेंट्स दे आर एसेट्स, एसेट्स कम इन रियल अकाउंट. एसेट शुड बी डेबिट, दे आर बिकमिंग क्रेडिट, क्योंकि फॉल आया है इन्वेस्टमेंट की कीमत में, उतना फॉल आया जितना आपने आईएफआर को बनाया था. अगेन लिसन, fall in the value is equal to investment fluctuation reserve. The journal entry investment fluctuation reserve account debit to investment account. Third number, fall in the value is more than IFR. See, you have written the amount of IFR in liability side in balance sheet. The written amount, the kept amount is less, means fall is of more money, and the amount that you have kept as reserve, that amount is less. In that case, the journal entry is CA number. Investment fluctuation reserve account debit, revaluation account debit to investments. Investments, they have been done credit. It means the amount, the value of investments has been less. Investment fluctuation reserve account debit means whatever reserve you had, that is all utilized. Revaluation account में आपने वो पैसा लिखना है जो दोनों का डिफरेंस होगा. जर्नल investment fluctuation reserve account debit, revaluation account debit to investments account. And now see, in entry number A, revaluation account has been done debit, and now it is loss. When amount comes in revaluation account debit, when debit is more, obviously it is loss. When there is loss in revaluation account, that is transferred to the debit side of partners capital accounts. B journal partners capital accounts debit to revaluation account. Third number, when market value of investment, it is of investment is more than the book value. In such a case, three journal entries, they are done, they are passed. C. A number journal, entire amount of investment fluctuation reserve is credited to the partners capital accounts. Again listen, when market value of investment is more. देखिए मार्केट वैल्यू ज्यादा है, किताब में आपने कम लिखा, तो ये तो आपका फायदा हो गया. जब फायदा हो गया, इन दैट केस व्हाट विल हैपन, सी entire amount of investment fluctuation reserve is credited to partners capital account. अब this all money will be transferred to partners capital account in their old ratio. Journal will be investment fluctuation reserve accounts debit to partners capital accounts in old profit sharing ratio. B number, increase in the value of investments. Now the amount of investment has been increased. When the amount of investment has been increased, now you can see that investment account has been done debit. Investment account debit to bring the value of investments to market value, to revaluation account. On C number you can see the journal entry revaluation account debit to partners capital accounts. It is in their old profit sharing ratio. Now move on to illustration का number है 32C. A, B, C and D, they are four persons, they are partners in a firm sharing profits and losses, and the ratio for these four partners is 2:1:1. They decided to share profits in future in the ratio of 4:3:2:1. For this purpose, goodwill of the firm, it was valued at rupees 1,80,000. There was also a reserve of rupees 60,000 in the books of the firm. find out sacrificing ratio and gaining ratio and pass necessary journal entry assuming that partners do not want to distribute the reserve. Now see the solution. Value of goodwill given है, reserve given है, we can add both of them. Their addition is 1,80,000 rupees, 1,80,000 plus rupees 60,000, it is rupees 2,40,000. Old ratio of A, B, C, D, it is 2:2 is to 1:1. New ratio of partners A, B, C and D. 4:3:2:1. Now see sacrifice or gain. To find sacrifice or gain, what is done? It is always old ratio minus new ratio. For A, it is gain 2/30. For B, it is sacrifice 1/30. For C, it is gain 1/30. And then for D, it is sacrifice 2/30. Listen. For sacrifice, to find sacrifice or gain, what is done? We do old ratio minus new ratio. See, whatever is written before, those all are there, old ratios, and what the ratios are written on right hand side, they are there, new ratios. Old ratio 2/6 minus 4/10, it is new ratio. Old ratio minus new ratio 2/6 minus 4/10, and so on. The same thing is done with B, with C and with D. Now move on to journal entry. A's capital account debit rupees 16,000. C's capital account debit rupees 8,000. To B's capital account, it is 8,000. To D's capital account, it is 16,000. Now see, adjustment has been done for goodwill and reserves. Adjustment for goodwill and reserves has been done when there is a change in profit sharing ratio. Thank you so much. Be very much attentive, be alert, be smart. Do not waste your time in gossips, in watching movies and all. पढ़िए, मन लगाकर पढ़िए. Thank you so much.